So a lot of people always ask me, how do you select a print shop when it's time? Right now it's Chinese New Year, which means you're not getting nothing from overseas. So if you need to find a print shop, in my book I made this quick law. It's called a 3QL law, and it's how you are able to assess local print shops after you do your Google search and so forth, right? So it's clean, collect, and equipment. Basically, is the shop clean? Which means is it organized, is it stuff around, boom, boom, when you go and take your first look, how they got the intake process, this collection is, do they want you to pay it all up front? That's kind of scam likely. Depends on the size of the order. If you're a first-time client, sometimes you might have to pay, you know what I'm saying? But a deposit is more how screen printing work, because it might be mess up, so it might be something, that you gotta check when you come, and now you gotta refund me if you burnt the screen or if you ruined the shirt. Most screen printing shops don't work like that. And the last one is equipment, and that's why I'm doing this video inside of one of my boys' screen printing shops, and I use this one probably the most. The biggest equipment thing you want to search for is, do they have automatic presses? That's what this is right here. Let me see if I can focus for you. The automatic press is going to be the most important thing to your situation. If you even doing anything over 50 shirts or even 25 but multiple colors, the manual screen press back over there, but that's what you want to avoid. That's something like hobby based. If you walk in the shop and they don't have one of these, and it's just, you might want to leave. And I'm not dissing the shop, just saying that without an automatic press, they can't do a big output. You get what I'm saying? That's the number one thing you want. Not saying what year, what make, what model, or whatever. Just free game like this. This is a shirt that I designed, but it only can be done on an automatic press. It's about 8 colors. You get what I'm saying? I did this for Juvenile's tour. And so basically that's just a quick gist of what this video is about. Clean, collect, and equipment. The 3 things you're gonna look for when you go find your local screen print shop across the world. Though you can use these 3 across the world. That's the good thing. I really thought about this, because if the shop dirty, I'm telling you right now, don't do it. They going flat. There's stuff everywhere. They finna mess up your order. Got ink everywhere. It's just crazy. And sometimes too, this is just a side note, you break up your projects, bro. Like this guy right here who I come to, he doesn't really do tags for me. He screen prints for me. Then you take it to the next step, you know what I'm saying? And that's why it costs so much if you're gonna develop in state or however you want to do it. But use this tip and use these little laws. While the Chinese New Year down, give it a shot local. Call around and go check out the spot and see what they could do for you. Also, pricing. It's not even in my law, but pricing is something that's strange. I would say call a couple shots if you don't have any knowledge about pricing. But 1 color job probably shouldn't exceed like $6, depending on the quantity. 2 colors, you might be at 5 to 8, maybe 10. It depends. Now I'm throwing rough numbers out there. Once you get into 3 or 4s, you might be at 7 and 9. You go to one of those fake screen print shops where they got a great intake process and they got the people sitting in the front, you finna get taxed. I'm telling you. So try to find you a local guy who enjoy it, who built up their business to where they got an automatic and they ready to make money. They ready to cut a deal with you. Stay away from them super corporate places, because they used to corporate clients, and you're gonna get smoked. All right. So that's it. Book dropping soon. This is a complete episode straight out the book. So go buy the book. It's way more information than what I'm telling you right here and there. It's what I'm here for. And my brand is the hardest. Nah, I'm just playing. Don't hate you. Love me. That's my new Exodus statement, man. But appreciate y'all, man. Check out more videos about how to build your brand, how to scale your brand, how I done did certain things with my brand that took me to where I went and where I'm going. Appreciate you.